Welcome to this new English class at Edutin Academy. In this lesson, you will learn how to talk about possible futures. However, this time we're going to talk about hypothetical situations that are less likely to happen. The world is constantly changing, and people fear that the future won't be so kind as it has been so far. In fact, there are TED Talks talking about climate change, social justice, vegetarianism, and others. What about you? Do you imagine the future and how it could be if we change our behavior? Talking about what could happen can be your first step to learn how to talk and advocate for those things you believe in. Let's analyze the following TED Talk about a plant-based diet and check out the hypothesis. Also, try to answer the following question. What would be the two consequences if people continue eating meat?
I strongly believe there wouldn't be as many problems feeding our cities if we changed to more plant-based diets. This is not a decision that people should consider under the sole and flimsy argument that they don't like vegetables. Plant-based diets can be delicious, and new recipes have improved the taste of plant-based dishes. There are many reasons to consider making this change. Today, we use 60 billion animals to feed our population. Farms take 33% of our land, 8% of our water, and produce 18% of our greenhouse gases. If we continued like this, we might either destroy the planet's ecological balance or we might have a population that goes hungry. However, we could change this if we turn to a plant-based diet and consider plant-based products or even lab-grown meat. Isha Datar talks about growing meat from cellular farms. Andras Forgax talks about using a 3D printer to make organs and leather. This is a revolution that goes beyond your plate, and if it were to work, it could change the entire world and save millions of lives, and not only human lives.
Let's answer the question. I'll give you 10 seconds to think about the correct answer. What would be the two consequences if people continue eating meat? A. We would get serious health problems and impoverish our lands. B. We would kill all our animals and be forced to eat plants. C. We would destroy our planet's balance and increase famine. The correct answer is C. As you notice, we use the second conditional to refer to the imaginary and hypothetical events. Let's take a deeper look at the structure. When we want to talk about things that are imaginary or hypothetical, we use the second conditional. We can also use it to talk about situations that are unlikely but possible. To write with the second conditional, we use this structure. If plus past tense plus would. Example: if it were to work, it could change the entire world and save millions of lives, and not only human lives. We could change this if we turn to a plant-based diet and consider plant-based products or even lab-grown meat. There wouldn't be as many problems feeding our cities if we change to more plant-based diet. We can contract would when speaking informally with apostrophe D. After I, he, she, it, use either was or were. Some people use only were with the second conditional. the order of if clause can change in a sentence. When the if clause comes first, it is followed by the comma. Example: if we continue like this, we may either destroy the planet's ecological balance or we may have a population that goes hungry. But when the if clause is at the end, there is no comma. Example: we could change this if we turned to a plant-based diet and consider plant-based products or even lab-grown meat. What about you? Tell us, how would the world change if we start to harvest our own food? Let us know your opinion by participating in our comment section. And to complete the activity, write 2 comments to 2 of your partner's answers. Remember that the best way to learn any language is through interaction with others. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.
¿Te ha gustado este video? Te invito a continuar tu aprendizaje ingresando a edutin.com, donde encontrarás más de 6.000 cursos gratis y con certificado. Además, podrás interactuar con personas de todo el mundo. Ingresa ahora o descarga nuestra aplicación móvil.